This is a short tutorial just to show you how to upload your iPad in the classroom assignments from your Dropbox folder into the Blackboard course. So first thing, you need to make sure that you have the Mobile Learn app downloaded. If you don't have that downloaded yet, go to your App Store, search for Mobile Learn, and you should find it, and just open up the app. The first time you open the app, you're going to need to search for your school. Our school is Higher Colleges of Technology, so just type in Higher Colleges, and it should pop up actually. There it is, and tap on Higher Colleges of Technology. Now, because I've downloaded this app before and had opened it before, it saved my username and password. You're going to need to put in your username and password. Make sure that you're using your correct username and password. Then you will see on the left-hand side the classes that you're enrolled in. I'm going to show you about the iPads in the classroom, so tap on that. You'll see the welcome and the welcome video, the assignments, numbers, Keynote, Pages, and iMovie, and the survey. So we'll look through the assignments first. The first assignment that you need to hand in is Keynote. So once I show you how to submit one assignment, you know how to do them all. So Keynote, tap, and the first thing you'll see is a Keynote assignment instruction. So if you need to remember how to do something, the steps, the elements that you need to include in the Keynote assignment, you can tap here and open it up. It'll open up the PDF. Just to save time, I'm going to skip that and go right into the Keynote assignment. Now, we've done it through journal entries. The reason for this is that journal entries allows us to keep the information secure, so nobody else can see the journal entries except for the teacher. We can grade the journal entries, so we can put the grades in the grade book. And it's the only way with Blackboard will allow you to submit things that are not images. So for example, if I was going to give you an assignment, you would have to submit a photo. You couldn't submit a Keynote presentation or a numbers spreadsheet. So how do you submit an entry? You can see I've already done 2 examples below, but we'll submit another one. So just tap Add. Now you need to write the subject, and maybe you forgot to make the attachment last time, or there was a mistake. So this time I'm going to say updated Keynote. You need to put in something in the body of the journal entry. So just type a little message to me, dear Sarah, here is my Keynote assignment. Oh, I spelled Keynote wrong. Keynote assignment. Thank you, Sarah. Okay, now you tap attachments, and down at the bottom of your screen you will see camera, library, and cloud. This is the exciting part because this has changed in the last, I guess, 2 weeks. It's changed very recently. We used to only be able to see Dropbox here. Now we can see cloud. And if you tap on cloud, you'll notice we have Dropbox and Google Drive. So now you can attach things from your Google Drive or your Dropbox account. Today I'm going to show you Dropbox because that's what we've been talking about and that's what I've asked you to do. But the steps are about the same in Google Drive. You just need to log into your Google Drive the first time and attach in the same manner. So let's tap Dropbox. The first time you tap Dropbox, you need to give it permission. So this screen will pop up and you just tap Allow. Okay, and that will authorize Dropbox and Blackboard to communicate with each other. Then you just need to scroll down to the folder where you've kept your assignments. So I've kept them in a folder called My Assignments. And you can see here I have a video and a presentation, a Keynote presentation. So I'm going to tap on the Keynote presentation and you will see that it's uploading now. Once it's finished uploading, I simply need to tap Post. Now, if I attach the wrong one, I can tap the trash and put it in the garbage and reattach a different file, but this one is perfect, so now tap Post. My assignment is now submitted. So it will take a few minutes, but it will be submitted for me, and that's it. Now, with iMovies, or movies in general, the procedure is just slightly different. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open up iMovie, and I'm going to show you how to save the movie first. So tap on your project that you want to send or submit into the Blackboard course, tap Send, and Save Video. Now for this, you should always try to save it in the smallest size possible. So medium 360p is fine. It's not needed, you don't need to have a high quality video. It's just for us to see and evaluate, make sure you know what you're doing on the iPad. So just tap medium 360 and the movie has been saved to your camera roll. Now I'm going to go back to the Mobile Learn, okay, and I'm going to go to the iMovie assignment, okay, and I'm going to add a journal entry. So name it iMovie. Here is my movie. Tap attachments, and you'll have the same options. You'll have three options: camera, library, and cloud. This time, what you're going to do is tap library, tap camera roll, and choose the video. So for me, it's the last video on here, but it could be any of your videos. Okay, so tap the video, make sure, yep, that's the one, looks right, and use. Now, Blackboard is going to compress the video and attach it for you. Now it's attached. You'll notice though that the video lost its name. It loses its name first when you put it into the camera roll, and it will lose the name again when you do an attachment in the journal entry. So now it's just video0.mov. There's no way for us to change this. There's no way to edit this, but you can tap and make sure that it is the right video. And that is the right video for me. So just go back, I'm happy with that, and you can post that as your assignment. Okay, so very easy to attach any of your assignments from either Dropbox, Google Drive, or from your camera roll.